How to delete Instagram account. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video I'll teach you how you can delete Instagram account. So to do that, log into your Instagram account and then move to the bottom right corner of the screen where you can see your profile icon and open it. And so after opening your profile and you brought to your profiles page, the next step is to scroll up a little, and then by the top right corner, some icons will be displayed, such as the thread icon, plus icon, and three horizontal lines. So just click on those lines and then you'll be taken to your settings and activity page. On this page, ensure you click on account center. And then on the account centers page, navigate to your personal details page. Once you're on the page, you can see personal details, account, contact info, birthday, identity, confirmation. Then click on account ownership and control. And then you'll be taken to the next page, which is account ownership and control. So you can see different options. Click on deactivation or deletion. And you'll be taken to the next page where you'll be asked to select the account that you would like to deactivate or delete. So after selecting the account, you'll be taken to the next page. You can see deactivating or deleting your Instagram account, etc. So do you want to deactivate it or do you want to delete it? If you want to delete it, click on delete account. Yeah, then scroll down, click on continue. And then you'll be taken to the page where you would see details about what will happen if you delete your account. You can see and other options that you can do instead of deleting your account. But if you still want to delete it, click on continue. But then you have to choose a reason. Is it too busy or too distracting or something else? Just select the reason, click on continue, and then you'll be asked to enter in your password. Ensure you enter in your password, click on continue, and then your account will be permanently deleted. So this is how you can delete your account on Instagram. Thank you for watching and have a good day.